Hello students, in today's lecture in linear algebra we will see the problem on testing of consistency. The problem is investigate the value of lambda and mu such that the system of equations x plus y plus z equal to 6, x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 10 and x plus 2y plus lambda z equal to mu may have unique solution, second one infinite solution, and third one no solution. Solution of this problem we'll see now, and we'll see what is the solution for unique, infinite and no solution. Hello students, in today's class we'll see a problem on consistency. The problem is investigate the value of lambda and mu such that the system of equations x plus y plus z equal to 6, x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 10, x plus 2y plus lambda z equal to mu may have a unique solution, b infinite solution, c no solution. One of the important question for examination point of view, very important question. So procedure is same. So this is a given system of equation, so we need to write a augmented matrix, then we need to operate for what here, Equinox form. Let's see what happens. So that Equinox form, once we convert, then we need to go for what here, all three options here. So let's see the solution, how we need to simplify. So solution is, so I will write a augmented matrix directly. You can just observe here how to write. So coefficient of x, y, z are the rows. First row, that is 1 1 1, second row 1 2 3 1 2 3, third row is 1 2 1, 1 2 lambda 1 2, because coefficient of z is lambda, equal to, so this is the matrix B, that is 6 10 and mu. So this is, I am writing the augmented matrix directly. So this is, once we get a augmented matrix, then our next aim is what here, to make this element 0, that is second row first element 0. So we need to operate a formula, that is on R2 it is R2 minus R1, because 1 minus 1 is 0. So therefore augmented matrix will be reduced to 1 1 1 equal to 0. First row as it is, second row 1 minus 1 is 0, 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 1 is 2, equal to 10 minus 6 is 4. Next, to make third row first element 0, the formula is R3 equal to R3 minus R1. So therefore our augmented matrix will be reduced to 1 minus 1 is 0, 2 minus 1 is 1, lambda minus 1, you need to write lambda minus 1, equal to, next mu minus 6, it will be mu minus 6. So we got the equation in this way now. So we have made what here, first row first element, second row first element 0, third row first element 0. Next target is we need to make this element 0. Okay, so therefore for this we need to operate a formula on R3. So R3 minus R2, because 1 minus 1 is 0, so a simple R3 minus R2. So therefore augmented matrix is AB equal to, first row as it is 1 1 1 equal to 6, second row also as it is 0 1 2 equal to 4 as it is. So R3 minus R2, 0 minus 0 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0, but here on calculation lambda minus 1 minus 2, so it will become what here, minus 1 minus 2, it will become lambda minus 3. Okay, see the calculation correctly. Next, lambda minus 6 minus 4, it will become how much here? So minus 6 minus 4, it will become mu minus 10. Check the calculation. So lambda minus 1 minus 2, so minus 1 minus 2, it will become minus 3. Mu minus 6 minus 4, it will become minus 6 minus 4 will become minus 10. So this we got. So which is Equinol's form now. So here, so because of lambda, because we don't know the value of lambda and we don't know the value of mu, so we need to guess and we need to define the three results what they have asked. So whether it is unique solution, infinite solution, no solution, we'll check now by using the augmented matrix. So from this we cannot get the rank of matrix A as well as the rank of augmented matrix. So therefore option 1, that is A, we have what here, unique solution. In the given question, option 1 is what here, unique solution. So we know that for the unique solution, when it is possible, unique solution means it's supposed to be consistent. Consistent means what here, rank of A and rank of augmented matrix AB supposed to be same. So here what happens, we must have, means compulsory we must have what here, rank of A suppose equal to what here, rank of A is to B. Fine. So which it has what here, in general what here, so if you say, so here rank is 3. So for rank of augmented matrix, because lambda value we don't know, so we'll consider it has some value, so therefore it will be what here, rank is 3, and here also rank is 3, which is nothing but 3. So I can say that it is unique solution, so which is equal to 3. So therefore I can say that, so it is unique solution if rank is 3. But suppose condition apply what here, when this condition applies, if condition apply, if lambda minus 3 should not 0. Okay, so if lambda value if takes 3, so 3 minus 3 is 0, then rank of A will become what here, 2, and rank of AB will become 3. So which we cannot find, it is inconsistent. So condition apply what here, if lambda minus 3 is not equal to 0. So since the other two row, since the other two entries in the last row of A are 0. Okay, so this is a case here. If and one more thing I want to clear you here, if lambda, if it is not equal to 3, okay, if lambda is not equal to, if it is lambda equal to 3, the solution, unique solution, it will not fit for the unique solution, because we need to describe for a unique solution. So lambda is not equal to 3, but if mu becomes 10 here, so then also the what happens here, so it will be rank will be what here, 3 itself. So we can say that so unique solution, so the rank is we are getting what here, 3, so therefore we cannot, but condition apply lambda minus 3 should not equal to 0, then only we can say that it satisfies the unique solution. Next, coming to the second one, infinite. So before going hence, I want to conclude here. So hence the system will have unique solution if lambda is not equal to 3. Condition apply. Next, second one, infinite solution. So infinite solution, here what happens again, the condition is what here, to check infinite solution. We know that rank of A is equal to rank of augmented matrix AB is what here, 3, and we have n is equal to what here, 3. But to check infinite solution, but to get infinite solution, rank of A, which is nothing but rank of A is to B, should be what here, that is I will say that should be, so that R should be less than n. So if it is less than n, then only we can say that it is what here, we can say that it is infinite. So which implies R must be what here, R must be 2, R must be 2. So therefore since first row and second row are non-zero, so therefore rank of A is equal to rank of A is to B equal to 2 if lambda minus 3 equal to 0 and mu minus 10 equal to 0. If these two conditions, means lambda value is 10, then what happens here, if you put lambda is equal to 10 and mu is equal to 10 and lambda is equal to 3, so this complete row becomes 0, so therefore rank will become 2, and at that time what here, so we have 3 unknowns, so therefore R will become less than n. So at that time we can say that what here, so with this condition we can say that what here, so therefore 2 is less than 3, that is R is less than n, because R value is 2, n value is 3, so which implies we can say that the system will have infinite solution. Condition apply if lambda is equal to 3 and mu is equal to 10. So because of, if lambda is equal to 3 and mu is equal to 10, it will become infinite, and if both are not equal to 3, it will become unique solution. So and last one, that is C, no solution. So no solution, for this we must have what here, we must have rank of A should not equal to what here, rank of A is to B. Okay, so rank of A should not equal to what here, rank of A is to B. So therefore I can say that here condition, so the system has no solution if lambda is equal to 3 and mu is equal to what here, mu is not equal to 10. So if these two conditions satisfies, so therefore what happens here, because of lambda equal to 3 and mu is equal to 10, so rank of A will become 2 and rank of A is to B will become what here, 3, so which implies rank of A is not equal to rank of A is to B. So hence no solution. So in this way we need to simplify the problems based on this system of equation under consistency.